Good morning, everybody. My name is Zion Will. I'm about to do me a cooking video today. I'm gonna cook me some corn, potatoes. Then I'm gonna put one egg in the pot, and I'm gonna put these in the pot. Let them be cooking for a minute. I already have my potatoes cut up, my corn, and my potatoes. My name is Zion Will. If you've never seen my video before, please like, share, and subscribe to my video. Now I'm gonna cook me a little bit of seafood today. Some crab cluster. See my crab cluster there. Some lobster tail and shrimp. I'm gonna put all this in the pot, let them cook together. So I'm gonna cook me a little bit of seafood boil. Let all this get in here and cook together. Already cleaned everything. I done washed my hand and everything before I must start my videos. So I had everything cleaned up before I did my video. Had everything cut up, clean, done clean my shrimp. Everything now, so now I just have to put them in here and let them cook. So I'm making me a seafood video today. I'll clean the plates back up. Gotta put one egg in there, but I don't like to do the eggs too much because I'm not a big fan of eggs, so I put one egg in there in my seafood bowl. Turn that up a little bit. So I'm gonna put a little bit of garlic powder in there. Let them cook with that. And I'm gonna put some Old Bay seasoning in it. I ain't put too much in there, but I'm gonna put a little bit in there. So I'm gonna let that cook for a minute, because it don't take long for the crab cluster to cook in the shrimp. I don't want to overcook them. Put the top on and then steam a little bit. So I'll be right back. So I'm back. I got me some garlic and herb butter. I'm gonna put inside the microwave later. Be melting a little bit. That's what I'm gonna eat with my crab, really, and my lobster. So the line of lakes, garlic and herb. Put that with my crab. Crab cooking good. And I put this in the microwave, let it heat up a little bit. see if it doesn't melt. It's melting pretty good. Do a little bit more. Let it melt. So everybody, my name is Will. If you've never seen my video before, I'm doing me a little seafood ball today. And I small them because there's nobody here with me. So I don't need to cook that much. I'll do that couple of crab clusters, some lobster tail, shrimp, corn, potatoes, and I just do a small one because I don't need it. I don't need that much because I don't want to keep it over till tomorrow. So I just need to do a small one where I can eat all of it today. So I'll be right back. Now I'm back. I'm gonna take everything off. Take my corn out. Take my crab cluster out. My lobster tail. Shrimp. Sausage. Potatoes look like they all of them about to crush up a little bit. Might have cooked them too long, really. Now everybody, you can see, this is my seafood ball, cone, crab legs, lobster tail, shrimp, and potatoes. I have one egg in there, and I have one sausage in there. Cook with that. So everybody, I hope you enjoyed my video. So I decided to do a little cooking video this afternoon. My name is Will. So if my video run across your place, please like, share, and subscribe to my video. And I'll catch you in my next video. So everybody, have a blessed day until I see you again. And may God be with you, and may God keep you, and may you be blessed throughout this day. So peace out till I see you in my next video.